In this video, I'm going to show you how to blacklist quickly on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as the wallet tracker, an amazing Twitter tracker, a great P&L tracker. They have an amazing reward system which gives you Solana back just by trading, and then they also have a turbo mode which allows for faster fills. You can set your own presets, and then you can of course set your own fees as well. They have a lot of different amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below, check it out, you won't regret it. So to blacklist quickly on Axiom, they actually did this in the recent update. So you want to go to polls over here, and then when you see these coins over here popping up, if you want to blacklist a, for example, dev, you can just go over here and just hover over a coin, and then you'll see this button which says blacklist dev. So you simply just want to click on this button over here, and this will blacklist the developer. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.